Protective hairstyles offer a range of benefits for hair health and maintenance, particularly for natural and textured hair. Here's a breakdown of the main advantages. 1. Reduces breakage. Protective hairstyles such as braids, twists, and buns help reduce hair manipulation and friction. Constantly styling and handling hair can lead to breakage, especially at the ends, the oldest and most fragile part of the hair. By keeping ends tucked away, protective styles minimize the risk of split ends and breakage. 2. Promotes growth retention. While protective styles don't necessarily speed up hair growth, they do help retain the length you grow. By reducing breakage and protecting the hair from environmental damage, these styles help you keep more of the growth you achieve. 3. Protects against environmental damage. Hair is vulnerable to damage from the sun, wind, and cold. Protective styles shield your hair from these elements, reducing moisture loss and preventing damage from UV rays, which can make hair dry and brittle. 4. Helps preserve moisture. Moisture is essential for healthy hair, especially for curly and coily textures that are more prone to dryness. Protective styles help keep moisture in the hair by reducing its exposure to the air, which can dry it out. They also allow easier application of oils and leave-in products, which can seal in hydration. 5. Reduces styling time. Once a protective style is set, it requires minimal daily maintenance, which can save a significant amount of time. This is particularly beneficial for people with busy schedules or those who want to reduce the time spent on daily styling. 6. Versatile and stylish options. Protective hairstyles come in a wide variety of options, including braids, twists, buns, cornrows, wigs, and more. These options allow for creativity and self-expression while also caring for hair health. 7. Prevents heat damage. By wearing protective styles, there's less need for frequent heat styling, such as blow-drying, flat ironing, or curling. Reducing the use of heat tools helps prevent damage to the hair cuticle, which can lead to dryness, breakage, and split ends. 8. Supports scalp health. Many protective styles provide the scalp with a break from everyday styling and manipulation. This rest period allows for better scalp health, as hair follicles are less strained, and it's easier to focus on scalp care with products like oils and serums. 9. Great for transitioning. For those transitioning from chemically processed hair to natural textures, protective styles help blend the two textures while preventing damage. This can ease the transition process and help maintain hair strength during this phase. 10. Economic benefits. Protective styles can save money over time by reducing the need for frequent salon visits or products, as they are low maintenance and long-lasting, often lasting several weeks. By reducing daily wear and tear, protecting from external damage, and allowing for moisture retention, protective hairstyles help keep hair healthier, longer, and stronger over time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video.